first share with you this biblical parable, which I do hope will make each one of you, our dear graduates, fully acknowledge the divine intervention of the Master Planner, God Himself. For every monumental proof of what you have become today, as well as inspire each of you and the rest of the Filipino graduates for having successfully gone this far. Now, celebrating your achievements and soon pursuing opportunities, one day a man was browsing in a store and shocked to see what God was selling. The man said, "Lord, what are you selling?" God replied, "Whatever your heart desires." The man continued, "I want peace of mind, happiness, and freedom from fear, for me and for the whole world." Smiling, God said, "Son, I am not selling fruits here in the seeds." True enough, ladies and gentlemen, that what you aspire for and whatever you want to be greatly relies on how you exert effort and how sincere you shape your own destiny. Whatever a man sows, that he shall reap. For every seed that you sow today will determine the kind of fruit you shall reap tomorrow. This year's graduation theme, therefore, does not simply inspire every graduate, but more importantly, how it will motivate and challenge you, our dear graduates, to make a firm stand, if only to become dynamic partners in bringing about a transformational society. The much-needed societal change that will contribute to fixing our country's problems, particularly on basic education. In one, therefore, with Pinoy's aspiration, and I quote, "If we fix the country's problems, we will build a truly strong society we can proudly call the Philippines." Ang pinagpipitagan nating punong tagamasid, Ginang Presi Victorio, ang ating magiting na punong guro, Ginoong Armando Vinoya, ang ating masipag at galang-galang na punong barangay, Ginoong Reynaldo C. Paragas, mga pansisipag nating mga guro, at higit sa lahat ang ating mga magulang ng mga magsisipagtapos sa ika-6 na baitang, mga ginigiliw na mga panauhin at lahat ng ating kabarangay sa ating mahal na barangay Payar. Unang-una po ay gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa pamunuan ng ating paaralan sa pagpili sa akin bilang panauhing tagapagsalita sa napakahalagang araw na ito para sa ating mga grade 6 pupils sa kanilang pagtatapos o graduation. Ang tema po ng DepEd para sa taong ito ay mag-aral ng K-12 handa sa hamon ng buhay. Ito po ay tunay na angkop sa ating panahon, lalo na sa kasalukuyan administrasyon ng ating pamahalaan. Ang ating gobyerno po ay puspusang gumagawa ng mga mahahalagang hakbang tungo sa tunay at wagas na pagbabago ng ating lipunan. Ihanda ang mga mag-aaral kagaya nyo upang maging handa sa anumang landas na inyong tatahakin. Ako ay nakatitiyak na kayo'y handa sapagkat ang mga kaguruan ng ating paaralan ay aking maipagmamalaki. Ako na nagtapos ay buhay na patutuo na ang mga guro sa elementary ay magaling at matatawaran sa kanilang dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa kanilang sinumpaang tungkulin. Your academic journey in high school will certainly require you to take 1,000 miles. Such a journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step at a time. Not tomorrow, not the following day, but it starts today. In the realization of goals and aspirations in life, one may say he will cross the bridge when he gets there. I wish to contradict that principle, and I am encouraging each one of you not to cross that bridge simply when you only get there. Now is the best opportunity and the right time to prepare yourselves in setting your goals in life through higher pursuit of knowledge. Preparing and taking the most appropriate steps in reaching that bridge, for along the roads towards the bridge you might already be confronted with so many obstacles to hurdle. Obstacles in life that might stop you from pushing through and moving any further to finally reach preparation in shaping your hopes, dreams, and aspirations in life. Let your elementary education be the strongest link in crossing another threshold. A new doorway, a new entrance, a new beginning point, a stepping stone in building your life's destiny. Be not afraid to face the future. Instead, prepare to follow your dreams toward becoming the person you envision yourself to be. Set your worries aside. People who love you, will guide you as you set out to overcome the challenges you will face at this time of your life. And as you devote yourself to worthwhile pursuits, above all, remember that God, who has designed your destiny, will always be there for you. Call upon Him, follow His will, and your future will be nothing less than radiant and secure. As you then, hand in hand, take the first step towards the realization of your aspiration, there will always be challenges and obstacles to face, and some failures of yesterday to conquer, and lessons of life to learn and master. But instead of living in the shadows of failures of yesterday, walk in the light of promises of today and the brighter hope of tomorrow. Graduates of 2018, the choice is yours to make. Congratulations to all graduates and mabuhay tayong lahat.